DesiBlitz.com.
Hi, I'm Cyrus Todiwala. This is Cafe Spice Namaste, my restaurant, and you're watching me today on DesiBlitz.com.
Hi, this is Faisal from DesiBlitz.com. We have with us today celebrity chef and restaurateur, Mr. Cyrus Todiwala. Cyrus, welcome to DesiBlitz.com. क्या हाल चाल है आपका?
बिल्कुल fit है. हालचाल is good, thank you.
At what age did you know that you wanted to become a chef, and where was your early training?
I didn't know I wanted to become a chef in a sense. Maybe I fell into the pot, I don't know. But I like cooking right from a very early age. So I used to help mom. In fact, I used to we used to live in a big joint family. So I would take some chapatis from grand auntie's house, make them crisp with sugar and butter and sell it to my sister and cousins when they came back from school. So at a very young age, I was fooling around with food. And then with mom in the kitchen, I learned quite a few things anyway. And then of course you go through the process of schooling. 17-year-old boy passing school doesn't know what to do with himself. In those days we didn't have 500 options. So I think I was led into it by my sister's friend who took me to her college, and I said, yes, that's what I want to do. And actually after that I took over catering as a full-time occupation.
You run the award-winning restaurant, Cafe Spice Namaste. How did this come about, and what kind of cuisine do you serve here?
Cafe Spice Namaste is now this is 19 years old this year. So we've been going on for 19 years. It came about from actually the vision of my ex-partner who was American. And he found that all Indian restaurants in Britain lacked character. They were very mundane, they were very similar, they were not what he thought India should be represented as. And I was already making waves with my food in my old restaurant, Namaste. And there we were changing the food, but the restaurant was just as like any other restaurant. So he asked me whether I'd like to join him, raise some money, and open a restaurant that was vibrant, that was colorful, and that represented the food and the culture of India. And that's how Cafe Spice was born. So out of throwing aside traditional, dark, dim places, making it bright, colorful, and then in our menus we try and bring as much as the whole of the subcontinent of India as is possible. So you will find regularly on our menus things from different parts of India, different parts of the subcontinent. If we learn something from a friend, then it could be Pakistani, Sri Lankan, Nepali, Indian, Bangladeshi. Even these days we started doing a bit and pieces of that. And it just opens your horizon to understand how each family cooks. So for me that is more important. That is very important rather.
You and Tony Singh appeared on a very popular television series. How was that experience for you?
Great experience, because I would have liked to do much more than what we did, simply because today we live in Britain, so we are obligated to Britain. We live off this land, and I've become very passionately involved with many of the farmers of this country, very closely involved. And that program allowed us to visit some of the farms and actually take the produce and do something Indian with it. And what we did was, it was more fun because this time we actually took British food and spiced it up. So we spiced up British food. So classically British food, twisted with spices, twisted with a little bit of condiments here and there, and changed its persona. And that is very exciting because the British public thinks Indian food, they cannot cook, it's too complicated. Or for that matter, they think it's not as great as it is. And when you take a classic dish and just give it a little bit extra zest to it, and actually that food does come out tasting better, that just goes to show that we have the power to be more creative than we presume that we should be, or we are.
What do you most love about your job?
I love about the job, the most important thing in our job is that nothing is the same every day. Saturday we had a break-in, thief got in from the back, smashed the glass, stole our brand new laptop, that has put my brand new book gone. Hard work of 6 months is gone completely. I had not backed it up somewhere else because I don't know how to back up. and that's gone. And then other things happened. The police were here from morning, taking fingerprints and everything else. So no 2 days in this business is ever the same. Somebody won't come up on duty, something will go wrong, fridge will break down. I enjoy that. You work under pressure, which makes you think sharp all the time.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Where do I see myself? I don't see myself dead yet. I think I'll still have a few more years to give back to the community. But I think in 5 years' time, I might end up doing more to train other people. I would be doing more towards charitable work, I think. I'm leading that way. And of course, hopefully, I want to get into more finding out about the intricacies of Indian food through the subcontinent from village to village. If I ever had the time and somebody gave me a big pot of money, I'd like to drive around, go from town to town and record all that for the sake of the future generation.
Right, Cyrus, we're going to have a quick rapid fire round.
Yeah, go on.
Okay, what did you have for dinner last night?
Where was I last night? Oh yes, we ate Chinese food last night.
Okay. Good. Favorite kitchen equipment or gadget?
Oh, new heat resistant spatula, rubber spatula.
If you had one wish, what would it be?
I wish for my family to be healthy and together always.
What's the wildest thing you've eaten?
Fermented tarantula spider.
Favorite ingredient to work with?
Coriander.
Person you would like to cook most for?
Most for? Now, oh gosh, there's not one though. I have 3 or 4 people that I'd love to cook for. Prince Charles, David Attenborough, Michael Palin, and who's the 4th person? It slips my mind, but Sir Terence Conran. And I sit with these people and just chew their brains out, because I'd learn a great deal in one meal that I won't learn in 20 years.
Thank you for your time, Cyrus Todiwala. All the best for the future.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.